Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over where you would add your engine coolant. This is the engine coolant reservoir right here, and we have this cap to remove. Now this cap is pressurized, so it will be pressurized, and if your vehicle is hot you will not want to be removing this if it's hot. It can burn you. And so we have some markings on this side, and if you need access to see it better, you can just pop this cover and then look in on the side here. But we have a marking where it should be full. We have a hot level and we have a cold level, and so we are right at the bottom, so we'll just add a little bit. But you need to screw this cap back off. And this is one where you've got to push it down and twist it. Again, don't do it while your engine is hot. And remove this cap. And that's where you would add your engine coolant. We just use the kind that's recommended for the vehicle. There's any brand. You can use any brand you like, but there are versions of it that are designed for the specific vehicle. This one just says it's orange and it's for your Chrysler Fiat Americas 2013 and up. So that's what we put in, and then once you've topped it to the line there, then you would just reinsert and put the cap on and make sure that it's tightened. And that's where you would add your engine coolant for the whole engine here. Even if you do a radiator change or anything else, you'll be putting all your engine coolant in here. There's not another radiator cap on the radiator itself. It just goes through the lines to get in there. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.